Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed that you know uh, part one of my collection tour. So with that said, now this week I'm just going to mix and match a couple of brands. Like let me just start with this. So this is the Burago Lamborghini Colorado. I just bought this like a day back. I mean like a day back it got delivered. So this one was a new casting for me. I mean, Gallardo was not a new casting for me, but this particular version, the police were cop version, highway patrol version, and the 50th anniversary Aventador. This I don't have actually, so I bought it. And here is this one. So the Eternal Classics line by Burago. So this one is actually new, so I don't have this version. And this one is by Tomica. So I personally bought this because as a kid, I always fascinated about this double decker buses. So I actually never went on one. So even though I had a chance, I missed that due to time constraints. But okay, so this is very heavy casting. So I really wanted to see how this one actually looks inside. So I bought it. And last but not least for this week is this one. So this one I actually bought for MRP, which is 649. The Bat Rampage. I bought it because of more specifically because of the ramp. I just wanted to see if I can replace this ramp, this track here with this ramp. So we will be unboxing this and see how this one actually is. So this one is 2022 casting, packaging, I guess, whatever it is. So stay tuned for this guys, and as usual, if you like my video, the thumbs up, my video subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.